We live and we lie and we fall and we fly.
Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. So as Halloween is creeping up on us, I thought I'd film a Halloween related video because I didn't film one last year and I kind of wish I did. But yes, in today's video I attempted to eat Halloween themed food for 24 hours and it didn't go quite to plan, but what can you do? So I've obviously just had a shower, that's why my hair's like up like this. Anyway, I've got a Tesco order coming and it's coming at like from 11 to 12 and it's 10:30 at the moment and I'm starting to get so hungry and I haven't got anything that's Halloween themed, so I have to wait until my Tesco order comes, and even when it does come, like, you'll see what I've got, but it's going to take a while to prepare, so
I am actually so annoyed. I'm so annoyed right now.
Basically my Tesco order arrived and what I had planned for breakfast was it was like a Halloween giveaway cupcake kit thing. It was like it was a cupcake mix basically. That was my breakfast and it's now like almost 12 o'clock. So I haven't eaten yet basically because I've been waiting for this cupcake mix. And it backfired. So I think what I might do is I might make a green smoothie. That counts as Halloween, right? A bit of gooey stuff, I don't know. The first thing I'm going to eat today is going to be a chocolate eyeball or a pumpkin. So yes, because obviously like it couldn't be a Halloween video without these. Do I have an eyeball or a pumpkin? An eyeball. I'm not even a fan of chocolate, but I'm so hungry at this moment that it's good. I'm gonna have a pumpkin as well. So I've made my smoothie. I really hope this counts as Halloween food. I'm gonna count it because it's green, and also I'm gonna add like some chocolates, like Halloween chocolates, like I did before. So surely, like combined, it's a Halloween meal, I guess. Right, so in case you're like interested in what I've got in my smoothie, I've got a banana, I've got some spinach, half an avocado, and lots and lots of almond milk. I don't know why I'm so scared to taste this like it's a smoothie. I like avocados. I don't mind bananas when they're in smoothies, and I like spinach, so. Okay, it's not my favourite smoothie. I feel like I don't like the combination of banana and avocados. It just makes it too, I don't know, I think they taste too similar. But I still like it, still enjoyable, still gonna enjoy it. Right, so I am going to have lunch now. It is quite late for me to have lunch, to be fair. It is 3:30, but as you saw I had my breakfast quite late and to be honest I'm still not hungry, but I thought I'd do my lunch now because if I don't do it now then I'm either going to be hungry very early for dinner or yeah, I kind of want to make it a 3. I don't want to just have a smoothie and one meal because yes, that's not fun. But yeah, so I'm gonna have
Burritos.
For sorry, I couldn't help myself. I'm going to have some burritos for lunch. So my burrito is ready. I know I folded it terribly, but it's a ghost. That's my point, it's a ghost. I am scared that I'm not gonna be able to eat dinner because I'm gonna be so stuffed. Right, so it is now 8:30 and I should really head down to the kitchen to make dinner because it's getting too late for me to eat, and I really want to include like a dinner meal in this. So for this final meal of the video, I decided to make Frankenstein noodles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use noodles, and I'm going to use pesto to make it green. And then I'm also going to like decorate it with like beans and stuff to make it look like Frankenstein. So I've literally got all the ingredients that I need ready. I have made my pesto noodles. Not gonna lie, I wish it was like pasta, just because like pesto pasta, but pesto noodles. I mean, I don't know, but gonna work with what we've got, right? So I've got my green noodles. I made them as green as I possibly can. I'm gonna try and like spread this out as much as I can. I can't believe this.
I'm so happy with this. Oh, I'm such a child. But
Like, look. Like, isn't it just adorable? Like,
although I just realised how stupid is it. And like I've been like this entire video. Like I've not looked presentable at all, and now I'm worried about like my hair looking nice. Like.
very pesto-y, but we like it. What's best about this pesto is that it's vegan. I hope you enjoyed watching. It was definitely a very fun video to film. If you did enjoy watching, please hit the like button, and if you like my videos in general, why not subscribe? That would mean so much to me. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully very, very soon. And yes, bye.
We live